Discover the perfect formula for budget-friendly travel adventures. In this video, we will be diving into the world where you can travel for free or cheaply, and explore the cheapest travel options available. We will list how to master the art of travel hacking. Also, a very important list of online travel hacking communities. We will be showing you how to score free flights and accommodation, with our expert budget-friendly travel tips and low-cost travel strategies. You'll be able to experience incredible destinations without breaking the bank. Mastering the art of travel hacking. 10 tips and tricks. Dive into the world of travel hacking by researching and learning about different strategies, tips, and tricks. Sign up for loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, and rental car companies to start earning points and rewards. Maximize credit card rewards and utilize credit cards that offer generous travel rewards, such as airline miles or hotel points. And make sure to take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Be flexible with travel dates is a key factor. Stay open to flexible travel dates, as it can help you find the best deals and availability. Utilize travel websites and apps. Take advantage of these travel websites and apps that can help you find the cheapest flights, accommodations, and activities. Use points and miles strategically. You need to learn how to strategically redeem your points and miles for maximum value, such as booking flights during off-peak seasons, or upgrading to business class. Utilize travel hacking communities to help gear you to places that are the cheapest to travel to. I will list you the online travel hacking communities that will help you to learn from their experience as travelers and stay updated on the latest hacks and deals. I cannot say enough about travel insurance. Ensure you have travel insurance that covers unexpected situations, such as flight cancellations or medical emergencies. Keep track of your loyalty program accounts, credit card rewards, and travel itineraries to stay organized. To make the most of your travel hacking efforts, stay persistent and patient, and remember that travel hacking takes time and effort. So stay persistent, keep learning, and be patient to reap the rewards of your efforts. List of online travel hacking communities. FlyerTalk is one of the oldest and most popular online travel hacking communities. FlyerTalk offers forums where you can connect with fellow travelers, discuss strategies, and share tips. The Points Guy website has a vibrant community of travel enthusiasts who share their experiences and insights on maximizing points and miles. Reddit travel hacking is a great place to connect with like-minded individuals, ask questions, and stay updated on the latest travel hacking trends. MilePoint is another active community dedicated to travel hacking. It features forums, discussions, and expert advice on earning and redeeming miles. Travel Hacking Cartel was created by Chris Guillebeau. This paid membership community provides exclusive access to travel hacking resources, tips, and support. Travel Hacking 101 is a Facebook group is a supportive community where members share their travel hacking successes, ask questions, and provide guidance to fellow travelers. Inside Flyer focus on loyalty programs and frequent flyer miles. It offers forums, articles, and expert advice for travel hacking enthusiasts. Remember to always exercise caution and do your own research before sharing personal information or making any financial decisions within these communities. How to score free flights and accommodation. Sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs to start earning points and rewards that can be redeemed for free flights and accommodation. Utilize credit cards rewards that offer generous travel rewards, such as airline miles or hotel points, and make sure to take advantage of sign-up bonuses. We said this before. Join online travel hacking communities to learn from experienced travelers and stay updated on the latest hacks and deals for free flights and accommodation. Plan your trips during off-peak seasons when airlines and hotels are more likely to offer discounted rates or promotions. Take advantage of travel websites and apps that offer deals, discounts, and reward programs for flights and accommodation. Consider house sitting for people who are away on vacation, allowing you to stay in their home for free in exchange for taking care of their property or pets. Look for volunteer opportunities abroad where accommodation is provided in exchange for your time and skills. Explore this option, where locals offer their couches or spare rooms for free to travelers, allowing you to experience the destination from a local's perspective. Join work exchange programs, such as WWOOF or Workaway, where you can work a few hours a day in exchange for free accommodation and sometimes meals. Research and utilize credit card churning strategies, where you sign up for credit cards with large sign-up bonuses, meet the requirements, and then move on to the next card to maximize rewards for free flights and accommodation. Maximizing airline miles and rewards programs are very important. Plan ahead. and be flexible to take advantage of the best opportunities for scoring free flights and accommodation. Unveiling insider secrets to affordable accommodation. If you're feeling adventurous, explore the world of home exchange, swapping your residence with someone else's for a truly unique and cost-effective getaway. Say goodbye to expensive hotels and hello to unforgettable experiences while keeping your wallet happy. While it may not be possible to travel completely for free, there are ways to minimize your travel expenses and even enjoy some cost-saving opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe, and now here are a few more strategies for affordable accommodations or even free. Consider signing up for house-sitting platforms where homeowners offer their homes for free in exchange for taking care of their property or pets while they are away. Look for volunteer opportunities that provide free accommodation and meals in exchange for your assistance. Many organizations offer opportunities to work on farms, in hostels, or on conservation projects. Join a global community of travelers on platforms like couchsurfing, where locals offer free accommodation on their couches or spare rooms. It's a great way to meet new people and experience local culture. Sign up for work exchange programs like Workaway or HelpX, where you can find hosts around the world who offer accommodation and meals in exchange for a few hours of work per day. Travel hacking. Utilize credit card rewards programs and frequent flyer miles to earn free flights, hotel stays, and other travel perks. Research the best travel credit cards and learn how to maximize your rewards. While not for everyone, and least recommended is hitchhiking, it can be a way to travel long distances at no cost. It is important to prioritize your safety and take precautions when hitchhiking. Camping. Embrace the great outdoors by camping in national parks or other designated areas, which often have low-cost or free campsites. Camping not only saves money but also allows you to connect with nature. Travel during off-peak seasons. Prices for accommodation, flights, and attractions tend to be lower during off-peak seasons. Take advantage of these times to save money on your travels. Home exchange or swapping your residence, where you can effortlessly swap your residence with fellow adventurers, opening doors to new cultures, experiences, and friendships while saving money on accommodation. Remember to research and plan ahead, as some of these options may require advanced arrangements or have specific requirements. While not completely free, these strategies can significantly reduce your travel expenses and help you make the most of your adventures on a budget. Embracing alternative transportation options for cost-effective travel by taking advantage of budget airlines with discounted fares, exploring train travel discounts for scenic and affordable journeys, and utilizing rideshare apps to save on transportation costs while experiencing the convenience and flexibility of shared rides. Budget airlines. Look for low-cost carriers that offer discounted fares, allowing you to save money on air travel. Train travel. Consider taking trains, which can be a cost-effective and scenic mode of transportation, especially for shorter distances. Bus services. Utilize long-distance bus services, which often offer affordable fares and can be a convenient option for budget travel. Carpooling. Use rideshare apps or websites to find and share rides with fellow travelers going in the same direction, reducing transportation costs. Bike sharing. In cities with bike-sharing programs, rent a bike for a fraction of the cost of traditional transportation methods, and enjoy the added benefit of exercise. Walking. Opt for walking whenever possible, especially in cities or towns with compact layouts, to save money on transportation while exploring your destination. Hitchhiking. For adventurous travelers, consider hitchhiking as a free alternative for getting from one place to another, although it's important to prioritize safety. Ferries. If you're traveling near bodies of water, consider taking ferries, which can be a cost-effective option for transportation while enjoying scenic views. Car rentals. In certain situations, renting a car can be a cost-effective option, especially if you're traveling with a group or exploring remote areas with limited public transportation. Local transportation passes. Many cities offer discounted transportation passes for buses, trams, and subways, allowing unlimited travel within a specific timeframe at a reduced cost. Remember to research and compare prices, plan ahead, and be flexible with your travel options to make the most of alternative transportation for cost-effective travel. Immersion in local culture. Engaging in authentic experiences without breaking the bank. Take advantage of free city tours to explore hidden gems and gain insights from knowledgeable guides. Volunteer abroad to connect with locals and contribute to meaningful projects. Don't miss out on cultural festivals and events, where you can experience traditions, music, and cuisine firsthand. Lean the savvy strategies for cutting down expenses on food and dining out. Embark on a delightful street food exploration, indulging in affordable and delicious local delicacies. Explore local markets and supermarkets to find fresh ingredients and cook your own meals, saving money while experiencing the local culinary scene. Find street local foods. Please subscribe and like. Also, I love to hear from you, and any comment you might have to help me improve my video making.